Hey everybody, Stuart McAdam here, and today we're going to be looking at where everything is in the Facebook Business Manager account so you can set it up successfully and make sure that you know everything's working well and in your favor. So let's get straight into it. Here we are in the Business Manager account, and we're just going to click through to the first one. And the place where you find all your information and where things are and how it's set up is just here in the Business Settings one, right there. And as you can see, this is an overview of the people who are affiliated with the Business Manager account. If you want to add people in, you can just select add, and you can determine whether they get employee access or admin access. We're going to do admin access here, and we're going to type in an email address which gives a new person access. And this lets you determine whether or not they have managing privileges on the page and also on the ad account as well. So we're going to select both, and we're going to do a quick double check to make sure that everything's as we need it to be. Yep, manage the page, and over here I'm managing the ad account, and we're going to select invite. So an invitation's been sent to that email, so this is pending right here, and it'll allow you to, once you have gotten in, to have access to the ad account and also the page which your business is operating on. And if you want to have a look at your ad accounts here, you can just select there, and that'll show up the ad accounts. If you've spent more than a certain amount of money and you've been active for a period of time, you are able to set up another ad account, and you can request access to an ad account if you're an agency or another business owner and you've got multiple accounts, or you can just go and create a new one right here, and it allows you to do that without too much problem and effort. So going down here, data sources, the most important one, which a lot of people are looking at, which is the pixel, which is very important for tracking information and making sure that anybody that's visiting your website or business from Facebook or downloading your app that's come in from Facebook is able to see exactly the statistics and other information that you need in an accurate and timely manner. So the great thing about Pixels now is that there's a lot of partner integrations that Facebook is working with, such as Shopify, MailChimp, and a lot of other platforms. So if we were to take an example with Clayton, okay, so here we are, just on Google, entering it in, firefighter, let's do firefighter interview pass Australia, and see what comes up. Okay, so just right here, firerecruitmentaustralia.com, and let's just say we want to set up the pixel again on that, and we'll go to some quick and easy options for setting up the pixel. Set up the pixel now, and as you can see right here, we've already got the two partners right there that allow you to set it up straight away. So if you're on a Shopify website, it'll come up as a Shopify option, and if you're on Wix, if you're on one of the other platforms like Squarespace, the partner platform normally comes there, and that makes it so much easier to set up the pixel and platform straight away right there. So if you were to select WordPress, you'd then just go over to your website and work on setting it up, and it's quick and easy. They've got great instructional run-throughs now on how you can do that, and it's very effective and user-friendly. So just coming through to the other ones, if you're wanting to set up other events like custom conversions, it's nice and easy. You just select add a custom conversion, and you just enter the ID in there. For offline event sets, again, it's a similar process to what happens with the Facebook Pixel. You just got to accept the terms and conditions, and let's just say, for example, here you're wanting to get membership, sign up on phone, and create it. Assign add accounts and set tracking, and there you go. So we just allocate that to Fire Recruitment Australia, and there we go. all set up and ready to go. Just need a couple more changes and modifications. I'm not going to run through that in today's walkthrough. This is more just to show you where all the information is. So if we scroll down here, have a look at some of the integrations, lead access. Most important thing probably here is business information and also payments as well. And as you can see here on the business information, there is the overview on how many ad accounts you can create. If you want to verify your business, you can do that as well. Pop in all your legal information and also just personal information as well. So that's a quick overview of where to find everything in the Facebook Business Manager account. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel, and please don't forget to smash that like button as well. Help me with the YouTube algorithm immensely, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.